Hello, and welcome to Paradise Valley Community College, home of the Pumas. My name is Isaac Torres, and I'm one of the academic advisors here at Paradise Valley, dedicated to supporting your success as a student. I remember that overwhelming amount of emotion and information that seems to go along with your first semester as a college student. But I promise you that education is one of the best investments you will ever make. And I'm so excited that you are starting that with us. This completely virtual environment has changed many things, but what it has not changed for us here at Paradise Valley is our purpose to help you achieve your goals. The new student advising team, along with the support of the entire campus, has created this Puma Power Up process. This process is intentionally designed as a personal and informative approach in helping you begin your first semester as a college student. The form on this webpage will collect important information that will help us prepare for your arrival. After completing the form, first semester college students will receive an email in their student email inbox outlining next steps to connect with the new student advising team. I am very excited that you are starting your college journey with us, and I'm even more excited to connect with you virtually. Your first semester is one of the most important, and we are here to support the first semester. I know that you can do this, and your experience here at Paradise Valley matters to us. Be safe, and again, I welcome you to the Puma family.